Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a user in ClickUp. This is especially useful when you're collaborating with team members and need to give them access to specific spaces or tasks within your workspace. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, open your browser and head over to clickup.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will take you to your main ClickUp dashboard where all your workspaces and projects are organized. Now, on your panel, look for the section labeled Spaces. Spaces are essentially containers that help you organize different projects or departments within ClickUp. Click on the specific space where you want to add the new user. This is important because it determines where this person will have access and what they'll be able to see or edit. Before we continue, it's worth noting that you can choose whether you want to add a user to an entire space or just to a specific task. This flexibility allows you to control access levels precisely based on what each team member needs. For this tutorial, we'll be adding a user to the entire space, which gives them broader access to everything within that space. To proceed, click on the three dots beside the name of that space. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, click on Sharing and Permissions. This is the control center for managing who has access to your space and what they can do within it. Once you're in the Sharing and Permissions section, you'll notice that you have two options for adding someone. You can either generate a private link that you can send to them directly, or you can input their email address. Both methods are effective, but for this tutorial, we'll be using the email input method as it's more direct and allows you to set permissions right away. Go ahead and type in the email address of the person you want to add to your ClickUp space. After entering their email, click Enter. This will add them to the invitation list and bring up additional options for you to configure. Now comes an important step. You'll see a drop-down menu labeled Invite As, which allows you to choose the role for this new user. You have three options here: Member, which gives them full access to the space; Limited Member, which restricts certain features; or Admin, which grants them administrative privileges. Choose the role that best fits what this person needs to accomplish within your workspace. Once you've selected the appropriate role, click Send Invite. This action sends an email invitation to the address you provided, notifying them that they've been invited to join your ClickUp space. They'll receive instructions on how to accept the invitation and access the space. Once they accept the invite, they'll be officially added as a new user on your ClickUp workspace. They'll be able to see the space, collaborate on tasks, and work within the permissions you've set for them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.